are running. People react to the video of a soldier spotted fighting with a man. A Nigerian soldier was spotted running away from a man after the man pulled a machete in an attempt to cut him near an unknown market. In the video, the soldier was beating a man and the man tried to free himself from the soldier, but he was chased after by the soldier. The man, on getting hold of a machete, made an attempt to cut the soldier, which made him later run away with the man chasing after him with the machete. The whole incident took place near an unknown market, and the reason for the fight is yet to be ascertained. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, this is funny anyway, but it's one of the things that we do experience daily. These are the things we see, these are the things we experience. But be that as it may, to me, I would say it is stupidity. It is stupidity of the soldier. See, as a soldier, you are not to be exposing yourself publicly. You are not to be putting yourself out so publicly for people to see and turn to a laughing stock. See, soldiers are peacekeepers. As a soldier, you should be calm, and you should be slow to anger. You should be a short-tempered person. You should not always be in a hurry to react. You understand? See, for the fact that you're a soldier doesn't mean that you'll be feared by everyone. You'll be feared by everyone. Don't forget that you are also a human being like the other person. It's just that you are a human being on camo, and camo is just a uniform which every other person can put on. So you're not different, you're not special, you're not thrown from heaven. You're not specially made. Both you being a soldier and the ordinary civilians are both created the same way, everything the same by God. God created everyone equally. So don't think that because you are a soldier, so you are now so special. So you should be feared by everyone. You may be surprised. At the end of the day, you will see how you will be embarrassed. You will see how you will be embarrassed publicly. You will not believe it. You understand? So soldiers are fond of that, taking advantage of their profession, of their skill, taking advantage of the force. Many soldiers are like that. We have many of them. Unlike where I live, there is one that is not even a soldier, but because he passed through the four wall of NMS, the Nigerian Military School, so he's now using that to be scaring everyone, claiming to be a soldier. When going out, probably going out for to do his German as usual, what he will just do is he will now put on a soldier uniform that is probably a polo, a camo polo, disguising himself to be a soldier so that while doing his German on transport, this tout will not stop him to collect any bribe from him. You understand? Not until I got to discover that he is not any soldier that is claiming to be. I just pray that one day they don't get hold of him. Yeah. I just pray because I don't know. It's our Nigerian soldiers that are making many Nigerians to be impersonating. They're the one making many Nigerians to be impersonating. And when Nigerians are impersonating them by putting on their uniform to work, then they will start complaining, arresting, and all of that. But if they can be humble, they can be calm, If they can be attentive and listening, they will see that nothing will happen. They will see that they will be more respected. See, it is better that people respect them than people being afraid of them. It doesn't go down well. It's not. It doesn't go well. It doesn't go down well. It's not okay. It's not okay by anyone. It's not okay by me. I don't know, even if you understand. I don't know if you understand. So that is the point. That is the point, and that's the area I'm going. Alright? So we really need to understand the issue of security force. This is the reason why everybody is saying that no to SARS, no to SARS. But people don't understand why people are saying no to SARS. People don't understand. People are saying no to SARS because of their atrocities. The atrocities of this SARS is becoming too much and is increasing by the day. Understand? So people can no longer bear it. People can no longer endure it. They can no longer bear it. So as a police officer or as a soldier, to say, you should be a peacekeeper. You should be a lover of all. Don't be intimidating. Don't always want to be the one to attack. Okay? Be a peaceful type. Be the type that will always want to be loved when seen. Don't intimidate people with your uniform. Don't allow people to start seeing you as a warrior. That is what many of them believe, and that's how they behave. I am a warrior, so because I'm a soldier, I am a warrior. Because I'm a soldier, I can do and undo. Now, when you enter a transport now, people that are not soldiers now claim to be soldiers because they know that soldiers are fearful people. So when they enter transport, people don't question them. Sure, you see that now. So let them put a stop to this thing, to this mess. Let them stop it. It doesn't all go well. Right? It doesn't all go well. It won't go down well with people. The way they operate, the way they scare people doesn't go down well with people. People don't like it. People don't welcome it. People don't enjoy it. Understand? So my viewers, I don't know what your comment concerning all that has just been said may be, but please do me fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.